Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumelang, Absheni, Molweni, Tobela, Lochani. The president of South Africa, who is accused of money laundering and kidnapping, has finally suspended the public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane with immediate effect. In a statement, the presidency said this was in accordance with Section 194(3)(a) of the Constitution of Republic of South Africa. Section 194(3)(a) of the Constitution provides that the President may suspend the public protector or any member of Chapter 9 institution at any time after the start of the proceedings by a committee of the National Assembly for their removal. Last month, Busisiwe outlined her reasons to Ramaphosa on why she should not be suspended pending impeachment proceedings in Parliament. Parliament is already forging ahead with its inquiry into her fitness to hold office. She will remain suspended until the probe is concluded. The statement also added that President Ramaphosa and Advocate Mkhwebane are both obligated to act in the best interest of the country, in compliance with the Constitution, and mindful of the need to protect all constitutional institutions. The President's decision to suspend Advocate Mkhwebane is the best manner to fulfill this obligation. On Wednesday, Busisiwe confirmed that her office will be launching a probe into Ramaphosa's Limpopo farm robbery. This is after Arthur Fraser laid criminal charges that emanated from 2020, theft of millions US dollars in excess of $4 million concealed with the premises of the president's Palapala farm in Waterberg in Limpopo by criminals who were colluding with his domestic worker. They also include defeating the ends of justice, kidnapping of suspects, their interrogation on his property, and bribery. The president never reported the crime to SAPS and SARS and paid the culprits for their silence. Well, I think Ramaphosa should step down so that he can be arrested. These are really serious charges. What's your take on this one? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more news.